Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this is Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha. This is one
Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and bloom. Animals strike curious poses. I feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. A world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Hey, 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 hey. Wait a hey hey wait a hey hey wait a hey oh. How can you just leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold? A world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Wait a hey wait a hey hey wait a hey wait a hey oh. Oh, very nice, Michael.
Yeah, that was
thanks a
great.
lot.
There you go.
When doves cry, when doves cry, Prince.
That's right, sweetie. What's next? Joe Jackson. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Look over there. Where? There is a lady that I used to know. Oh yeah? She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. On a moccasin telegraph. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Tonight's a night when I go to all the parties down my street. Oh yeah, all the parties. I wash my hair and I kid myself, I look real smooth. Oh, you do, Nietzsche. Real smooth. Here comes Jeannie with her new boyfriend. They say that looks don't count for much, well, so there goes your proof. You're one to talk. Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. All right. Well, hey, folks. Tonight we're just what are you doing? We're celebrating 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. 1,000 people have subscribed to YouTube, and that's a big day for us. I mean, maybe that's not a big deal for other YouTubers, but I never meant to cause you any sorrow. That's right, Niji. Little Prince. You know, for you people not from Minnesota, you don't understand how important Prince is to us. Prince was like our only rock star. He was the only musician we really identified as our own. And don't give me that Bob Dylan. He might have been born here, but I think I've said it before. The man can't sing. Man, I'm on the government. Man, I'm licking on the pavement. Oh, is that a Prince tune? Yeah, I think it's. Oh yeah, it's this is I Can Never Take the Place of Your Man. Show 'em how it's done, Michael. As June winter old man ran away, couldn't stop crying 'cause she knew he was gone to stay. 10:35 on a lonely Friday night, she was sitting at the bar and baby she was looking alright. I asked her if she wanted to dance and she said that all she wanted was a good man who wanted to know if I thought I was qualified. Well, I said, baby, don't waste your time. I know what's on your mind. I might be qualified for one night stand, but I could never take the place your man. When she told me with tears in her eyes, he was all she ever had and now she wanted to die. Left her with a baby and another one on the way. She couldn't stop crying 'cause she knew he was gone to stay. She asked me if we could be friends and she said that, oh honey, it's a dead and you know and I know you wouldn't be satisfied. She said, baby, don't waste your time, and I know what's on your mind. Might be qualified for one night stand, but I could never take the place And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is Nana BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
And this is the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. Giga Min, Minowa. All right. All right. Do we do one more Kiss song?
Sure.
Which one? Where did God of Thunder? And Rock and Roll All Night.
Strutter?
Or,
What
would be a good Kiss song?
I don't know.
We could do Love Gun.
Oh, there you go.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. She walks by moonlight. No one really knows. Enchanted starlight. Never going home. I know she's going. I don't know.
Hey, you guys, don't forget to sign up to subscribe to YouTube. 1,000. Oh, we finally made it to the big time. And thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Let's get out of here.